If you want to set a custom ringtone on a Google Pixel 11, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, and then here you should be able to find the ringtone option, so let's go ahead and select that. Now we can go to My Sounds category, use this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you will open this menu where we should be able to find, for example, some recent files. In order to find your custom ringtone, you can either use these other apps in here, or you can use these three lines in the upper left corner and choose, let's say, the audio category. And in here you should be able to find pretty much every audio file that you have on your phone, on the phone's storage. So if you manage to find your audio that you wish to set as a custom ringtone, then you can select it from this list, and then select it here in the ringtone selection. And then we can tap on Save in the upper right corner to apply that new custom ringtone. Leave a like and subscribe.